So I love pancakes, and I have a couple of pairs. This recipe, oh, this is going to be a home run. Katrina's Prices, Home Life, and more. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I share home decor, cooking, cleaning, vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. Follow me on IG and Facebook. Now let's enjoy me in my priceless kitchen on today. So this recipe was inspired by a recent trip over to H&C Orchards. Well, that's what I call it. It's my cousin Hubba's and Cheryl's house to pick off of their pear trees.
Like a leaf in the fall, I feel like I've reached my end. Like the snow when it's hot, don't know if I can stand again. Yeah, I lost my hope, lost my strength. Yeah, I forgot about the love that you showed me. Face to the ground, I'm desperate for my life to change.
Welcome back, and one big hug from me to you, to all of my loyal subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome. I am Katrina, and on my channel, well, it's a lifestyle channel, and I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. I would love for you to join my growing YouTube family. It's free and it's fun. Simply give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscription, and make sure to hit the bell twice so you never miss an upload.
Running frantically with nowhere to go. Felt the pain, felt the shame, believing the lies that the enemy gave. Praying truth.
Butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and pears simmered for about 15 to 20 minutes. You already know this is going to be good. Now, the full recipe will be down in my description box below. In my blender, I have milk, 1 egg, a splash of vanilla extract, and some cooked pears. The smells! Yeah, you should be able to smell how good it is in my priceless kitchen. Well, anyway, in my bowl, my dry ingredients include all-purpose flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt.
Hearing the waiting, wandering and fading, I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night, be a hope for the world so broken, be a friend to the that he showed me. Make the broken things new. Yeah, I'm the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah. I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Keep my windows open. I hear the cries of the broken. I know they were made for more than this.
Come on and give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow.
Live a life that shows through the darkness, the fire burning in the night. Be a hope for a world so broken. Be a friend to
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. It's so unnecessary worrying about life. I might not have it all, but I know I'll be alright. He's gonna challenge me to be the best I can be, and to give back to those who need it. It won't always be blue skies ahead.
If you're enjoying today's pear infused pancake batter topped with brown sugar caramelized pears and a dusting of powdered sugar, well, just head right on over to my cooking playlist for some more delicious recipes.
Making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. Iron sharpening iron, making me stronger, calling me higher, calling us higher. Sharpening iron.
And until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.
Making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like
Now to the cooking playlist.